I feel like breakfast for dinner is one of those things that everybody loves. I remember when I was growing up and my mom would announce, we're having breakfast for dinner, like we would all fall apart in jubilation. Breakfast food works any time of day because you have different layers. You can experiment with them in a different way at night than you do in the morning. Say, like I like to take eggs and make egg boats. If you've never had egg boats before, it's time to get on board. Anybody get it? So the first step, I like to brown some breakfast sausage. Then I take 6 eggs, a cup of milk, a teaspoon of Dijon, just a couple little, in you go. Just a nice pinch of coarse salt. I'm gonna whisk that, and we're gonna pour it into some hollowed out bread. So it's actually really fun for the kids. Do you wanna help me hollow out a boat? What you do is you just pull this bread out. Can you just start pulling the bread out? They get to rip out bread and make a mess in my kitchen naturally. Let's get it right there. Yes, it is a canoe. I like to get them involved in that way because it's one less thing I have to do. Thank you. No. No, that's great. I wanted you to eat the middle part, not that. You can go now. Sail away. Oh, okay, good. You're eating the innards. That's great. That's super. So we take the whisked egg mixture and we just evenly pour it into each boat. We sprinkle in the breakfast sausage, the kale, a little bit of egg on top, and then comes the cheese. You just sprinkle it on top of every boat, and then you sail it right on into the oven.
Mom finished making them.
You guys helped me make these. The overall beauty, besides all the cheese on top and that you have a carb canoe that you're about to shove into your face, it's all delicious. It's so many breakfast flavors, but it's elevated. It's presented differently. The fun part about these boats is that you can actually just get super creative with it. If you want spinach inside instead of kale, go for it. If you want some sort of shredded chicken inside instead of breakfast sausage, you can do that. The options are endless. Like the sea. What? What up, YouTubers? Breakfast for dinner is always a win, so subscribe below to see more simple weeknight meals.